a butt.
Can you say gato?
Oh, shut up.
Simon. Thank you. I know you're about to bite me. Ow! Say hi.
Dear name. Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Piece of paper that keeps sliding off my whiteboard because
No.
I think you got shot.
Sure, she will solve and understand.
You got something. Oh,